Hey all, welcome. Thanks for joining. I'm going to talk about PixelPitch.ai. Basically, you can think of it as a novel gamified approach to Gitcoin capital allocation. We're using Gen AI to transform what usually is kind of an arduous task of reading through projects, descriptions, trying to decide what you might want to donate to into something that's a little bit more fun. Kind of, you almost could call it a mysterious adventure. Let me go ahead and show you. So let's open up the app. Here's the app. So instead of the regular Gitcoin round layout, within this app, essentially what we have are project descriptions that we've used Gen AI to replace with representations visually that have then been placed on a grid. So the user, like in this example for the application, is giving $900. Really, that could be any amount they select. And now what they can do is they can go through the images and then make a determination on which ones that they want to donate to that stands out the most. And so what this does, rather than kind of glossing over what can sometimes be a lengthy description that people don't want to take time to read, you now have a visual representation that can really jump out at you. You could think of it like the highest it factor. So here what we're doing is we're randomly selecting 9 projects to a round. We give the user the opportunity to simulate donating by allocating funds in the text boxes. So just as an example, like I might say, hey, this one looks really, really interesting. Peer review. I'm going to give that 100. This is pretty cool too. Let's maybe do 50. I'm not sure exactly what this is representing. Maybe I'll keep that at $1. That's a pretty cool one. And you kind of go through and, you can always you have the option to go into more detail on the description. But at this, you get like a high level kind of like idea of what you're most interested in. And here's the ones that I was most interested in. So, if I now look, I see, okay, out of my budget, I allocated 289. Obviously, I could do more if I want to. I click donate. Now what you see basically is the project descriptions and a ranked list of your capital, how it was allocated, and it appears below. So this tells me I donated $100 to this. Here's the description of it. What's kind of cool about it is often the image tells you a lot of what's in the description without necessarily needing to go into a full amount of detail in the description, which we hope would promote maybe some donations where otherwise they might not happen. If there's a discrepancy, that's interesting information too to improve the model. So you can see as I scroll down where I donated, the ranked list of how much I donated, and the project descriptions associated with each one. So in the end, I guess what you could say is it's both a quirky but somewhat intuitive and visually appealing spin on Gitcoin donations, right? So it's original, but it uses the Allo protocol. It's a use of Gen AI for this purpose. It's open source. It can easily be implemented within the main site, and we really hope you enjoy it. We really hope it spurs an interest in donations where otherwise, like, there might be a barrier to entry depending on, the complexity or the, that it doesn't immediately jump out at you as something that you might be interested in funding. So we hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching, and any feedback, as always, is appreciated. Bye.